have been consumed with a lot of different types of grief this year. It's shown up in ways I never really thought, like on a bright sunny day or when I least expect it. When my dad got sick this year, everything was put on hold, and that included this place. This cabin has been a part of my life since I was 10. It used to be a bit run down and not the greatest place to be, but it held potential. Over the years, my dad made this place into a livable space and worked hard to keep it that way. Things didn't go exactly as planned, and that's why we have to let this place go. Oh my God. There's just so much stuff here that I don't even know where to begin on throwing things away or selling them. Cute. A map of Michigan. Bring back maps. They're just so cool. Yeah, probably will never really use that, but it's cool. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay. Looking at these old photos and pictures really do something to me. Just like the memories. I remember reading a lot of these magazines and books when I was younger, like even like a stupid fishing magazine. My dad's got a lot of Harley Davidson hardcover books, which are really cool. I kind of want to just keep these for the memories. I feel like the things that I'm taking are literally all books. Just books and pictures. There are a lot of different ways we process grief. Growing up, I always thought grief just meant grieving a death, which is true, but it doesn't always mean we are processing someone dying. It could mean you are processing something or someone that is a part of your life, but it no longer will be or is. Living with your new reality and being okay with letting go is
something we as humans have a hard time doing. We are filled with memories, emotions, and connections, whether we like it or not. It's there, and we all go through it, no matter how much we try to run from grief. Grief is something we have to go through in order to live fully. To experience all parts of life itself and accept the bad along with the good. It makes you appreciate the good you have in your life. No matter what you have going on in your life, I hope you're able to heal and let yourself heal. It's okay to process grief differently than others, and there is never a wrong way.